What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another vlog. Right now we are headed to Trucks and Coffee. We are headed to one of their charity events. We're gonna go check out some of the nice trucks they got over there. They're also doing the OBS giveaway. So yeah, take a ride along with us. We'll pick back up once we get there.
Knuckleheads out there, cold shooting some hoops.
First place right there. Jeez. Those are gold. That's what we always say, like it's a inside deal. Like when we see a nice truck back then when we were younger, like, oh, those are gold. So that's what we say, those are actually golds.
The next day.
All right, just like that, she's gone. I hate to see her leave. We had this one maybe about a year. We bought it originally for his and hers. Today's the day she's gone. Customer of ours, and he's like, how much? Agreed on the price. So now she's going to a new home. It's a bittersweet moment. Later on in the future, he will be upgrading some parts on there. So y'all stay tuned, see what she's going to now. We're gonna go ahead and introduce her to the owner real quick. Yes, sir, it's a new owner right here. He'll be coming back later on, like I said, for a new setup, and I guess we'll go from there. Y'all check it out, see what y'all think about her.
Nice.
Let's shop update real quick, see what's going on. Mr. Penny, what we got going on back here?
Fixing some traction bars. We had to make some new brackets for the rear. We didn't make the traction bars, we're just fixing them.
What was wrong with them, first of all?
So he had some brackets made in the back and they were real thin, so they broke. This actually This is one of them. This used to be all one piece and it broke.
Yeah.
So we made them some new brackets.
And thicker too, right?
Thicker, way thicker. Reinforced it, so when it does sit on the factory plate on the rear, it's gonna be, you know, it's not gonna be flexing or anything like that, so it shouldn't have any more problems with it breaking. We patched up a hole that it had in the frame.
So where was the hole at?
Here. It's not done yet, but it's pretty close.
It's not done. It did have a big old hole.
Yeah, it's pretty close. There's actually used to be a big hole in the frame. So we're patching that up, we're gonna clean it up a little bit more, put the bracket on here, and then we're actually gonna reinforce it on the sides also. So
this is what we mean by reinforcing right here.
This is actually
the old bracket, right?
The old bracket and the old piece of frame. Rip that whole piece of frame off.
Yeah, we ripped that frame off.
Everything's gonna be rewelded. We're gonna take off the old bracket, reweld them, try to make them a little bit stronger so you don't have any more problems.
All right, we're gonna keep you updated once it's ready. We'll show you the finished product. All right, just finished up on this Mustang GT. We did some Performance 6 wheels on it, on some Firestone Firehawks, 19s all the way around. I think it was a perfect setup.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Louder.
Happy birthday to Greg. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
That would make a lot of sales.
Gonna go check out Natalie's new ride. Natalie, where you at?
They said the truck is ready, so we're gonna go ahead that way, see how it came out. Gonna take a ride along with us. kind of has a little hang to it. They actually do exhaust as well, so they're like, hey, pull it in. They're gonna cut it off. They're gonna weld a piece so it doesn't move anymore. So it's not gonna have a big thing flying.
I'm not feeling the muffler, guys.
Tires just in time for a new setup. Y'all stay tuned to see what we're gonna put on there next.
How's it feel?
She feels a little spicy. She feels good. I don't know. Might do some little nitrous on this bad boy. Little nitrous, some
Ay,
slicks.
Dios mío.
What do you think? What do you feel about her? You think she feels pretty good?
I think she's feeling spicy.
So this one does have AC. We just got the windows down because it feels good outside. But this one does have AC. I guess we're gonna go pick up these gel caps for the lighting. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all take a ride along with this, and we'll pick back up once we get there.
Come on back, I'll show you Redline Graphics. This is our new office. This is where our printers are. We got some computers set up. We do a lot of cutting of our stickers and vinyls right here. It doesn't have power. So I think where's the printer? So these are our guys. They do all of our installs.
What do you guys do here?
We do vinyl wraps. We also wrap vehicles. We do paint protective film. All types of vehicles, up to buses. We can do dump trucks to small sports cars, exotics. So we do pinstriping, as well as we get a lot of 18-wheeler trucks that need their DOT numbers and logos made and things like that we install on their trucks. So we do a lot of that.
How can they get a hold of you?
They can visit our website. It's www.redlinegfx.com.
Okay. And are you guys on Instagram? And
We do have Instagram. It's Redline GFX and Facebook. And we just started a Twitter also.
Okay.
Redline GFX.
Make sure you guys give them a follow.
Pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. I think it did wake it up a little bit, honestly. You're always calling me out. So,
What are you doing over there?
look, I got my little stash button right here. So I don't know, like I said, when we bought the truck, it was broken. So I gotta, if I want to put my window down or anything, I gotta put my little button back. So you're always calling me out. But other than that, what do you think about it?
So the truth is, one day I was driving this truck. Well, it's not really the truth, but I really thought that I did that. I had lowered the window. And when I tried to put it back up, I ended up with that in my hand. I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
I didn't know how to tell you.
So then whenever I got in it the next day, I'm like, who stole my button? So I'm over here accusing the guys. I'm like, hey, who took the button? Who took the button? And that was in the door panel. But yeah,
Guilty.
Maybe trust, if you're looking at this, I'm gonna need a door panel button or whatever it's called. All right, we're here at Elite. We're gonna go ahead and slap on the SS22s. See what y'all think about it. Y'all come take a look. Go ahead and set these on. They're SS22-inch replicas. If you're interested in a set like this, y'all let us know. We'll get you a quote. Once they're on the truck, we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. See if it throws a little smoke here and there. We got a little helper today.
Hey there, Christian.
Christian, hey, what do you think about the truck?
It was good.
You like it? Yeah. Thumbs up?
You like, she wants to see a burnout later?
Per the kids' request, we will do a burnout. Per the kids' request.
Per the kids' request, you twisted my arm. Once we got the SS22s on there, we'll do a little burnout for y'all.
All right, Mr. Jerry, what we got going on?
In the SS reps on the cat eye step side.
There you go.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Taking off the star shapes, huh?
Yeah, getting rid of the star shapes. I like the star shape look though.
Yeah, I'm kind of fond of the star shapes too. But I think we need to change it up. We got 3 trucks with the star shapes.
Oh, yeah.
You know, so we're gonna try something a little different, see what it looks like. A little sneak peek over here. They're a little dirty. We're gonna clean them up. We'll probably give the whole truck a wash. Just came back from RM tuning. I know I got a retune. We got rid of the tip. It was kind of hanging, so we got rid of that. Overall, the initial startup is way better. You know, we love star shapes around here. Sitting on nice soy epoxies. Greg was kind of acting out, burning out these tires. I guess he thinks he owns a tire shop or something. I know the Mercedes in. We're doing full powder coat on the wheels. If I'm not mistaken, we're doing full gloss black. I had a couple curb ratchets. We fixed all that. What we got going on right here, Carlos?
They just mounted these 26-inch wheels on these dually rims. They just got polished. We're about to give it a final touch.
There you go. They look good. We got them all balanced up and everything, huh? And we do balance these wheels. We do not do bean bag. You can do both. Our preference is balancing, but I for sure, I know it's gonna ride really, really good. Way better than what they were, because they were in pretty rough shape. We got this F350 in. We're doing the full front suspension on the steering. We're doing tie rod, gearbox, pitman arm. The pitman arm had a lot of play in it. We're just waiting on parts to come in and have it done in a couple hours. Now, just so y'all know, no matter what vehicle it is, personal, customers, every single wheel gets torqued down to spec. Ain't that right, Mr. Jerry? No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Always torque.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, that tune definitely woke it up. Huge shout out to our boys over at RM Tuning. If y'all interested in a tune, y'all make sure to go hit them up. Also, we just slapped on these SS reps 22 inch. Let us know what y'all think about it. I kind of like the 17 inch that we had on there before. We're gonna go ahead and put a picture of the SS 22s and the 17s. Y'all comment down below which ones y'all like more. Whichever ones y'all like more, we're gonna go ahead and leave those on there. Also, we're gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Let us know what y'all think about this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell notification as well. And we'll see you on the next one.